Hello guys and welcome to 𝙁𝙧𝙚𝙚, and in today's video we are going to be looking at this very quick airdrop, and it is from Gaya Wallet. All right, Gaya Wallet. So basically it is a new wallet where you can store your crypto assets, but not only store your crypto assets, you can also do some other on-chain transaction and activity. So the beautiful thing is that this particular wallet is offering an airdrop. Just the same way Trust Wallet did an airdrop and created their own token and they rewarded users. That's the same way that Gaia Wallet is going to be having an airdrop and they'll be rewarding users as well. So basically, what you want to do is you want to go to your Play Store or App Store. You want to go and search for Gaia Wallet. So I'm using an Android device. So you just go to your Android and you type Gaia. You put an hyphen AI crypto, okay, wallet, then you click on open. Then the next thing you do is that you can see here it says controlled by you, your keys, your rules, stay in charge of your assets with complete security. So you click on next. Then you can choose to keep going. All right, so I'll click on next, or you can choose to skip. So do more with your tokens, swap, stake, trade, and earn without limits. So turn your assets into opportunities. So click on next. Now it says discover the best of Web3, unlock multi-chain swaps, dApps, staking, DCA, RWAs, and reward all in one wallet. So I'll click create wallet, right? So I'll click create a new wallet. Now, I can choose to set up an MPC or a SeedPhrase wallet. So I advise you to set up with a SeedPhrase, okay? So you set up with a SeedPhrase and you see what is a SeedPhrase, okay? If you don't know what a SeedPhrase is, I'll advise you to just read up on this. Then you click on next. Then you read this. Then you click on next. Then your SeedPhrase is already here, right? Copying your SeedPhrase, the next thing you do is you click on continue, all right? Ensure that you save your SeedPhrase, okay? So after clicking on continue, it says hang tight, your wallet is being created, all right? So now you can protect your wallet, all right? So protecting your wallet ensures only you can access your assets even if someone gets your device or email. So I'm going to create a pin, all right? So I'm going to click on continue. So I'm just going to put a pin that is easy for me to remember. Okay, so I'm going to give my wallet a username. So I have a common username. So I have a common username. So I'm going to use this one. So I'll check availability. Is available. So I'll click on continue. And you're all set. So let's go. Okay, now I am inside the Gaia wallet. All right, I am inside the Gaia wallet. So the next thing is social links. You're going to see all of their social links here, right? How you can continue to interact with the Gaia wallet team. Then on this part here, you can see your transaction history. For now, there's no transaction history here. This other part is where you get to explore other dApps, but it's currently under construction, so it is coming soon. This part here that I have the up arrow and the down arrow is where you do your swaps, right? So for now, we won't be doing any swap. So I'm going to come back here. Then there's this part here. Let's just see what this part is showing. Let's see what that part is showing. So I'll click on it. It says Gaia airdrop is now live. So verify your Telegram to start earning. So I'll click on verify now. All right. So I'm just going to put in my Telegram number. Okay. Then they sent a notification to my Telegram. Okay. So I'm just going to go to Telegram to go and confirm it. All right. Okay, so this is the message from Telegram. It says, we have received a request to log on to Gaia. So I'll click on continue. All right, so I'll click on confirm, rather. So I'll just wait for it to confirm. So it says accepted. So I'll go back to Gaia Wallet. I'll go back to Gaia Wallet and let's see. Okay, so I think that it is now connected. All right, so I'll go back there. I'll go back there. I click on verify again. I've already done this. I don't know why it is giving these issues. All right. So I've already done this. I'll just confirm it. Okay, it's confirmed. So I'll come back here. All right. So I'll click on accept. I'll click on accept. Okay. And just wait for it. All right. So it says Telegram linked. Your account is verified and connected. You can now start earning rewards through the reward module. Okay. Okay. So now that we have verified our Telegram, so we're going to come back here. We'll come back here. All right. So, and you click on that part. So by the time you click on it, okay, it is going to ask you for a referral code. So I have a referral code. So I've entered it. Now, the referral code is going to be in the description of this video. Now, this particular airdrop is invite only, is invite only. So I'll click on submit. All right. Okay. All right. So I am now inside the Gaia app and I'm competing for the airdrop. You can see I already have 50 XP for registering, right? So you can convert your points if you want. The time will come when you'll be able to convert your XP to Gaia points. Then there's also a competition. I think that one also is in the works. Then there's also spin. You can spin the wheel daily to get a lot of surprises, all right? Then there's a leaderboard, all right? Here you get to see people who are already competing and the amount of money that they have earned, okay, in terms of volumes, trading volumes, and also in terms of referrals that they've brought in. You can see people are actively using this Gaia wallet. So it is an airdrop that I want you to go all out on, all right? So there are quests for you to do. Currently, I'm unranked. So all of these quests, you do them. So by the time you do all of these quests, you begin to earn XP. So let's do some of the quests. So now for some of these tags, all right, in order for you to earn the XP, so you need to add your social links, all right? So one of the ways you can add your social links is that you come to this part, you click on it, okay? So when you click on that part, all right, you can see I've already linked my Telegram. Then you're also going to link your Twitter account, okay? So I already have my Twitter handle, so I'm just going to click on it and I'll click on put my Instagram. I'll submit my Twitter. Now I've submitted that, so I'm going to put my Instagram as well. And I'm going to submit that, okay? Now they are going to verify this particular account much later, all right? So but then for all of these tags now, you can now mark as complete by the time you have done all of the tags, all the Instagram tags, all the Twitter tags. Because you have linked your socials, right, you can now effectively earn points on all of them, because each of the tags that you say you have done is going to be verified. So you can see it says tags completed, tags to be verified, and points to be awarded within 24 hours. All right. So there's also an on-chain tax too. The on-chain tax here is you swap on Solana. So for every $1 swap that you do, you earn 1 XP. There's also a partner quest that will be coming soon, right? I don't want you to fade this particular airdrop. You know, it's been a while that we created some videos. Now we're back and we're going to be creating videos on airdrops that I've been doing. Just try to bring you up to speed so that you don't miss out when TG finally comes and it's time for us to print. So Gaia airdrop is going to be really massive. It's going to be really big. And it is something that I want you to take part of, all right? So until then, guys, don't fade this particular airdrop. I'm going to be dropping the invite only link. Remember, it is invite only. You can't get the code just randomly, right? I'm going to be dropping the link in the description of this video so that you can get onboarded as quick as possible, okay? So in the absence of any other information for now, I think we're going to call it a wrap. See you again in my next video. Bye for now.